We have a history of graduating high-quality educators here in our program, and oftentimes when they graduate, they have a job before they graduate, or they have a job as soon as they graduate. And the reason for that is we have a very high-quality program. We have professors who care about our students. We have mentor teachers in the classroom who give and provide instruction for our students every single day. And there are also some great teacher scholarships and teacher loan forgiveness that is available to you, and we just can't wait to have you in our LW Ed Fam.
My time in the education program has impacted me a lot, and I think it has really helped me understand what teachers really go through on a day-to-day basis. The staff all have unique experiences that help build great teachers.
As a student going through the program, I knew that my professors, that they had the absolute best in mind for me. They wanted success for me. They gave me grace at times when I needed it. And now being on this side of that and being an instructor here at Lindsey Wilson, I get to do the same thing.
One of my favorite things about the program and what makes it special to me is the amount of opportunities that we're given to be present in real classroom settings and to interact with students in the classroom. This has really helped me step into the role of being a teacher and given me a better idea of what that's going to look like in the future. I feel like I've heard my whole entire life that the best educators come out of Lindsey Wilson. The program here is rigorous and challenging, but we're given all of the help and support that we need along the way to be successful.